Hey guys, this is Pooja. So today I'm going to talk about separation between twin flames. So there is no separation between twin flames. Separation between twin flames is just an illusion. It's not real thing. It's not the truth. The truth is you are your twin flame. The truth is your twin flame is you. That's the ultimate divine truth. You are always with your twin flame. Any thoughts or belief that you are separated, that's not real. That's not truth. Because the truth is you are your twin flame. You must resonate with this, guys. Yeah, physical separation might appear that way, that you are physically apart with your twin flame. It might appear that way, but it's not the real thing. Because you both are connected with energies. You are not your body. Your twin flame is not their body. You are not your mind. Your twin flame is not their mind. You are not your personality. Your twin flame is not their personality. You are your soul, and your twin flame is your soul. You both are one. You both share the same soul. You are part of same soul. So you both share the same energetic field in the entire universe. And that's the most powerful energy in the entire universe. Your soul is energy. And that's the most powerful, most strongest energetic field, most strong energy in the entire universe. Nothing and no one can separate you. You must resonate with this truth, guys. This is the ultimate divine truth. You both are one. The truth is you are always with your twin flame. The truth is your twin flame is always with you. You are whole and you are complete. You are always with your twin flame. You must resonate with this truth, guys. I would say this is not a separation. I would say this is a preparation phase. So while you are aparted, while you are separated, which is an illusion, you can utilize this space, you can utilize this time. Your twin flame is giving you space so that you can work on yourself. You can focus on yourself. Start practicing inner work. Heal your wounds. Heal your inner child wounds. Heal your chakras. I'll upload more videos on inner work, how to perform inner work, and how to start this journey, how to work on this journey. But I would highly recommend you stop wasting your time. Stop thinking that you are separated with your twin flame. Stop giving him or her energy that you are separated. Because all twin flame dynamic work on based on fear based energy. You and your twin flame share the same energetic field in the entire universe. This is the level of soul level of journey. This is not physical energy, physical journey. So you must resonate with this truth. Nothing and no one can separate you. You both are one. Your twin flame shares the exactly same energetic field with you in the entire universe. Your twin flame resonates the exactly same energetically with you. Nothing and no one can resonate exactly with you energetically like your twin flame. Because you are your twin flame. Your twin flame is you. You both are one. There is no separation. It is an illusion. It is a preparation stage. So work on yourself. Get better. Heal your wounds. Heal yourself. And this is the first step of ascension process. When you work on yourself, When you energetically build up when you work on yourself, you can and you will magnetize your twin flame back into your life. For that, you need to work on yourself. But don't set an intention that you are doing this work just to magnetize your twin flame back into your life. Because this is the first step of ascension process. This is a blissful journey, guys. You must resonate with the truth that you are always with your twin flame. You are whole and you are complete. You are just perfect. Your soul is energy. Your soul is very powerful. And why this happen? Why physically you are separated? Just to know yourself, to love yourself unconditionally. You need to know yourself to love yourself. So I would highly recommend you stop wasting your time and just focus on yourself. Start practicing inner work and stop thinking about twin flame. Stop thinking that you are separated, because you are not separated. You both are one, and you both are together. You both are one. You both share the same energetic field in the entire universe. Nothing and no one can separate you. That's a very powerful energy. It's a blissful journey, guys. This is a soul level journey. This is not physical level journey. You must resonate with the truth. Work on yourself, and then you will ultimately magnetize your twin flame back into your life. Trust me, guys. I will upload more videos on inner work, how to practice inner work. But stop giving him or her energy by thinking that you are separated. You are not separated. You both have one. Your twin flame is always with you. Alright, guys. Good luck, guys. Lots of love. If you have any questions, you can send me the questions. I'll try my best to answer those questions. Good luck, guys. Lots of love.